stands in. Maybe there is. Maybe in the Ajax cans there's more powder in there. I get excited when I find a Comet can that has more powder than usual. That's exciting. Yes, that's me right now, Kat. Thank you, Jiraiya. Thank you. Yeah, and usually if you have like an adult beverage, it makes sense that that happens, but I didn't. Oh, my cans are always 2. Mine are always 2. I don't up the price for Ajax. Ajax only costs a little bit more than Comet for me. Not saying that everybody's prices, stores are the same, but for me, Ajax costs a little bit more, but still they're always 2. Oh, it's kind of dry. Yeah, I have to keep my water bottle right next to me. And I had a bat next to me because, you know, I'm paranoid when my sweetheart's not here. No, this is the only one that I have. Yeah, see? Oh my gosh, nice puzzle. Yeah, Lucy, mine is, I think it's $1.69. I get it for $1.69, but that's still under $2, so I'm not going to say. Guys, this combo smells like heaven. Just so you guys know. Just so you know. It smells so good. You're welcome, Mist Oil. There we go. I liked that squeeze. Just saying. I liked that one. Yeah, I liked that. Ooh, that touched my soul. Yep. Yep. 3 for $5. Yeah, China. We'll do 3 for $5. Cans are 3 for $5 pre-sale. Oh man. Sorry guys. Yeah. Thank you, Luna. No, it's colored laundry powder. There she is, Britt. I was just talking about you. I was just talking about your powder. It's so pretty. I'm sorry, I couldn't stay though, Britt. Right after I sent, I had to go to the store. But yeah, I was just talking about that. That's crazy. Were your ears tingling? Shayna, let me tell you, I was tired. I went to bed after my partial cleanup. And then today I felt good though. I had to finish cleaning up this morning, but I feel good today. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You don't have to if it's too much trouble. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful powder. She has. And guys, just saying, if I'm in your live or in a live, and then I shake it up, and then I pour them into, oh, this is upside down, and then I pour them into more containers, because I have a bunch of those containers. Oh yeah, and I put mica in it. That would probably help. The mica is what colors the powder. Thank you. Oh, sorry guys, it was a phone call coming in. There was a phone call coming in. It wasn't your TikTok. It wasn't. It was mine. It was mine. Hey Siri, text Peyton. No, I'm not.
To Peyton. No, I'm not. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Sorry guys. Pay text me. Oh?
Why are you not at work today?
So she usually calls off on Mondays. So does my other daughter. Carly, you remember that? Guys, remember the 10 million live? The 10 million likes live? That was on a Monday. Yeah, Kev. Are you at work? That's my son's best friend right there, Kev. It's me time, yes. No, that is true. I think my Ooh, there's a clump of something there. Oh, guys, let's scoop. Yeah, mica powder is kind of expensive for how much you get. You only get a little tiny bit, but it's kind of pricey. I know. See, in my head, I thought, okay, this will make sense. But then I thought about getting cans, but then I said no. And then I was like, I'm going to do it live without dish soap. This is weird. I said, we'll just do this one because it'll be a short one. But yeah, I miss cans and dish soap today. But next live. Yeah, they're expensive. Getting powder from Sarah or Mon. I haven't gotten powder. I usually like buy sponges from people. I haven't bought powder from anybody. For which thing? For outrageous prices, Sudsy? Thank you, Tamsin. Thank you. Oh, hers is scented? I didn't know that. Oh, yeah. Oop. It just splatted on my ear. I don't even know how I did that. I know, Mon's powder is really vibrant. I didn't know it's scented, too. Hi, Tinker! Hello. I want this to go purple, guys. I want it to be purple. How are you? Don't know about shipping. It depends on the amount you want. How much are the big bags? I just know I hate paying shipping for anything. The shipping is so expensive right now. Shipping is $8. Oh, that's not so bad. Extra for scents. Yeah, that's right to be scented. That's cool that she has scented powder. Oh, the shipping wasn't bad at all? I'll have to look into it. $8 and the big bags are $10, and then shipping is like $8. Oh crap! Me too. Have you guys ever like been on a site and you're putting all your stuff in your cart, and then you get to shipping, and then shipping is like outrageous, and then you just exit out? I don't know how often that happens to me. Hey, Sudsplug. Little bags are $6 and big bags are $11, shipping not included. Those are good prices. See? Just like that. That's how I am too. I'm like, no, I'm not going to pay an arm and a leg for shipping. If something says free shipping, not meaning like the powders and stuff, but as a whole, when you go to, yes, Chelsea, when you go to a website and you put stuff in your cart and then it says shipping is going to be, like I've done it for the small bags of Ariel, I think it was. I was like, wow, this is a great price for them. And then when I got to the shipping, I said, never mind. It costs more for shipping than for the stuff. A trial pack, I think it was 8 or 10 packs, and shipping was 12. Oh, hey Roma, how are you? Okay, let's put another color in here. Oh, damn it. Oh, scroll. Some people do the black light. I haven't tried it. There's even glow in the dark powders, you guys. Oh man. The black light is on. You probably can't see the powder, huh? Who was it? Was it somebody? Somebody just recently told me that they did the black lights. I think it was Ms. Lady. She's done the black light lives before, where the powder is like glowy. Thanks, honey. Remember filling our liquor bottles with water and highlighter. Oh! Liquor and highlighter? Oh, she did the ambiance type live? Like turning off the lights? Dish soap is my favorite product to use. It was black light in the dark. They didn't like it. Oh. I like the brand from the Restaurant Depot, the thick pink one that we used in my last live. I like that one a lot, but I also love Soldo. The Soldos, the blue and the green are so vibrant, and the color stays instead of just turning to white suds. I like Soldo a lot. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Oh, thanks, Spoons. Thank you. Let's see how we can do this last thing of powder without flooding up. Gotta have it nice and juicy. Ooh. OG Game Dish Soap is your favorite. It smells good. It smells good. Laura, Thursday we are doing powder live. Powder and liquids and dish soaps. That's our Thursday plan. Our Thursday plan. Let's get this all over the place. Reach everywhere. Does that mean good or bad, Boons? I remember when the Blueberry dish soap came out. It was all the rage. Like everybody wanted to find it and get it, this and that. Ooh, looks like painting. Comet cans, xtrapine liquid and pinesol dish soap. Comet cans. Yes, now I do. Like the strawberry dawn. I think it smells so good. Oh, blueberry, Siska? I mean, it doesn't smell super strong. I like the stuff that smells really strong. Look, I'm painting this in, guys. Yeah, strawberry dawn smells good. It smells like candy. Candy. Oh, flipped. You flipped on me. I need a light blue in here, huh? Oh, guys, I was trying to think what color to put in the layers of powder, and I didn't think of light blue. I should have done light blue. Ooh, that would be cool, a strawberry lemonade combo. I know there's cherry fabric softeners, but I haven't seen any strawberry fabric softeners. Thank you, Laura. Thank you. Way back in the days, I used to do, I call them laundry cocktails, and they were different colors, you know, Pal Polka and Ariel, and like they're all different colors, and I would layer them like that in a container. And then when I was playing with the color powders, I was like, I have an idea. Let's go back to that. Hey, Scorpio. Yeah, we only did one combo today, though. It was a mini one since we went crazy yesterday. I like this color over here. Let's see if I can bring it over there. I like what the bright pinks do. Not to me. I love it. And like even when I'm not like live, in my spare time when I'm just sitting around, whatever, I think I could watch somebody squeeze all day long. To me. Does squeezing get boring to anybody in here? Same, Bella? Yeah, I can literally watch it like all day long. You know how yesterday we kept doing the fresh combos? That I like to do too. I like when the combos are just starting off. See, we're all this way. We're all this way. This looks cool over here. Can you guys see it? It looks cool coming down the side when there was two different pinks. Oh, you gotta get some more sponges. Change it up for you. Yeah, different sponges squeeze different ways. I'm still getting used to clamshell this one. To this, the shape of it, I haven't quite gotten used to. But my G-Vogue is coming, so I need to hurry up and get used to it. Yeah, no? Doesn't it seem like at least somebody is live all the time? Like I don't think I ever, except for in the early morning, I don't think I ever get on and nobody's live. I love that about Clean Talk. Except for one time I was doing my hair. True story. I was doing my hair and nobody was on. I was like, there's all these people. And I was even scrolling through to see if maybe somebody that I didn't know was on, and I couldn't find anybody that day. But fortunately, then somebody got on. I tried to make it brighter. The color. Here, guys, I'm gonna try to make it brighter again before I get off real quick here. Just real quick. Hi, Mari. You want to see the save? Yeah. I'm going to put it back in the bottles that we used. I can save it on camera. I probably, because I have the big Charisma, the pinesol bottles, and the other Christmas, should be able to save almost all of it. I'm great, Marty. How is the family? Okay, let's see if we can get lighter pink before I get off. Yeah, it's pigment color. I think moving this back. I really had to get it all screwed over. Yeah, the pigment doesn't, it's never hurt anything that I've used it on, except for the black. The black, like, stains my sink. I guess it's partially because my sink is white, but yeah, when I use the black one, I don't. And I only use a little bit, like the normal amount to wash clothes with. So, when I use soap with mica powder. If I use regular laundry soap, I put like four scoops in the washer. I love it. That's a different pink. Man, this smells good. Yes. I had to let a little bit of it go, but yes, most of it I got saved. Oh, I don't have anything left to add, Lyric, but thank you. I just had a little bit of stuff today. It was just a fast live. Thank you for asking. Danny, you missed it. I just did it one quickie. It's very charisma-ish. Yes, Gemini. Yes, ma'am. That's what's next. Actually, I have a couple bottles that I forgot about that I found in the garage yesterday, so I should be able to get all of this. It's a secret, guys. Thank you. I'll let you guys look it. It's fun. Oh yeah, I think it will be so easy though. I have one grocery-sized bag of trash. Put that in the trash. We just wipe down the sink. That's it. Hey, Amber. This is sweet. Are you guys ready for the save? Ready, Freddy? Ready, Freddy? Ready for the save. I'm going to get those big bottles from outside. Because then I think I have my little scoop.